video is very, very different. This is a brand new concept for me, a brand new idea with a brand new perfume kit. This is the International Flavors and Fragrances Speed Smelling Kit, available at LuckyScent for sale. You can buy it there. And in here are 14 different fragrances created by 14 different IFF perfumers, where they had presented with new perfume materials, and they had to come up with the brand new perfumes in 7 minutes. Sort of like speed dating, if that makes sense, but this is speed smelling. Well, I'm going to tell you all about this kit, and you'll also have a chance of getting a discount code to buy yourself the kit for yourself. So if you're curious to find out more about this kit, why don't you stick around and I'll tell you all about it. Thanks so much for tuning in. This is Sebastian with Smelling Great Fragrance Reviews. If this is your first time on this channel and you love learning about new fragrances, discovering new brands and fragrance kits, and also participating in giveaways and still haven't subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe button below and also click the bell so that you'll be notified for future videos and giveaways. LuckyScent is the only retailer in the States that sells this kit, and they will run out because this is an amazing kit. Wait until I show you what's inside. So there's 14 10 milliliter fragrances in there, bottles, and the kit, the whole entire kit in this beautiful box retails for $180. And LuckyScent is offering a 20% off discount for subscribers of this channel with free shipping, and the discount code is JARA, my last name. So you can go there up until Monday, Cyber Monday, and I guess up until the end of the day, and pick yourself up this kit for the 20% discount and free shipping. As I said, the kit is a very, very unique idea for me because I hadn't heard about it. Basically what happens is the perfumers of IFF, or International Flavors and Fragrances, are presented with these brand new materials, and they have to get together and create something brand new in 7 minutes. So it's very, very unique. I'm curious to smell these. I haven't really smelled them myself, and I wanted to do like a live smelling with you. I haven't opened up any of these. I wanted to do it live on camera so you guys get to see it, and it's usually a little more unique for you to experience what I'm experiencing with me, if that makes sense. So let's get started. The box comes like this. This basically lifts off, and on the back you have information about the perfumers and what their creations are. But if you want to go check out LuckyScent, there is a short video there. I think it was produced by IFF, and it kind of goes through the concept of the kit. And this kit is the Postmodern collection. So that's the idea behind these different creations. It's a beautiful box, actually. I really love this box. It's I think it's leather, or it could be kind of a faux leather. But on here you can see Postmodern Speed Smelling written on there, but it's a kind of all white, so it's a bit difficult to see. So this lifts off, and here are the 14 different perfumes, and on here you have the booklet, which I'll open up, and then of course the scent strips, or the moyette is what they call it in Europe, where you can use what you can use to smell. So let's quickly look at the booklet. I'm gonna have to put my glasses on for you because I really cannot read without my glasses. So let's go ahead and quickly do that. So basically the booklet, they're basically like cards rather than actually a booklet. Starts off with speed smelling, as you can see, and lots of writing on here. So this is going to require some reading, which is awesome. And of course you've got Fanny here, photo of her. On here it's actually in French, and on this side it's English. So this is Nicolas Beaulieu. Alexis Dadier is there. Luc Dong. This is Caroline Dumur. And Filippo Jean-Christophe Herault. He's been doing fragrances for Mugler, for the L'Exceptions collection fragrances, which I've reviewed on this channel. There's Bruno Jovanovic. He did Monsieur for Frederic Malle. Juliette Karagozlou did Savoy Steam. Sophie LABBE, I'm not really sure what she did. Domitille, MICHALON, BERTIER. This is Julien Rasquinet. There's Dominique Ropillon, and Nelly Hashem Ruiz. So then there's also a glossary. This is very, very educational. So if you're really into the idea of educating yourself about perfumes, because on the glossary side, there's a glossary for Absolute, Accord, Base. So it's all in here, written down, as you can see, synthetics and all that good stuff. So this is a great educational kit. So what's left here is now all the perfumes, and I'm not going to go through every single one of these perfumes, but I'll go through several. I'm just going to go ahead and start off with Bruno Jovanovic because I just found that right in front here. But before I smell this, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this fragrance. A beautiful skin musk with a slight detection of an intoxicating cognac note. An enveloping fur accord is tempered by an ocean-like molecule, maritima. The animal is back, and one could say it's rather feminine. So sounds like it's going to be an animalic with aquatic touches, with a boozy touch as well. Let's see. Definitely boozy. I can see the animalic parts, but it's rather delicious actually. I don't know how this is going to wear on my skin. It's quite musky. It's furry, quite lovely actually. This is the first one I smelled, but this is quite lovely. Like if somebody's that experienced and they can come up with something that quickly, I wonder what they can do in 2 days, 3 days, a week, a year. That's quite amazing. So for Jean-Christophe Herault, it says the rum accord at the heart of this composition recreates a likeness to whiskey. Nova orange and mandarin conjure the effect of Grand Marnier. Davana essence brings the finishing touch with its cherry notes, a reinvented and mouth-watering gourmandise. Figures he would do a gourmand. He does a lot of great fragrances for the Mugler L'Exceptions collection fragrances, which I love. So let's see how this one is. I do love my boozy fragrances, and I love a good gourmand. And I could smell cherry right away. Wow. Oh, wow. Lost Cherry, Tom Ford. Not quite, but delicious. Delicious. Damn. This one's really good. This is probably what Lost Cherry should have been. Although, it's cherry, but this one goes in more of a liqueur, like a very, very expensive liqueur to drink, where it has fruity accords and some cherry touches. This one doesn't go in the almondy direction like the Tom Ford goes, but wow, this is freaking awesome. Rummy, like it's really rummy. It's almost like you're biting into a one of those like boozy chocolates that has like orange liqueur in it, because there's definitely orangey touches here, and also cherry. It's like the combo of the two with the chocolate. Wow. This is to die for. This is freaking awesome. Let's go to Fanny Bal, who's I've been hearing a lot about lately. So Fanny Bal did Sale Gosse for Frederic Malle, which I love. And she also did Hemingway for Masque Milano. A revolutionary amber resurrected with ylang, spicy coriander seed, and a cacao absolute that gives off an unexpected Nutella effect. And as I was reading this, I'm smelling a nutty chocolate. Wow. I like this one too. I love gourmands, I really do, and this one does not disappoint. Wow. I could actually wear these last two. I can totally wear all the time because I love the gourmands. The first one, more daring, more sexy, more musky, a little animalic, for carefully chosen times to wear. Wow, this is really good too. So for Alexis Dadier, it says a juxtaposition of 4 accords reveal a surprising alchemy. Bitter almond milk, genmaicha tea, a vegetal fabric accord inspired by hemp, and the final piece of the puzzle, a masculine fougere accord. Very, very interesting. All these different weird kind of notes coming together to create a masculine fougere accord. Now that's pretty freaking awesome. Let's see how good this masculine fougere accord is. Wow. So green. I got the milk at the beginning. It was very almondy milky, but then it went green, like totally green. Tea, genmaicha tea. And I could see that vegetal fabric accord, very hempy. So I guess the tea and the hemp kind of give it a very green quality to it. This is amazing. This is so amazing. This one is really different. It starts off really, like it's, the juxtaposition word fits this one because it's going in so many different directions. And I could see it going into that fougere territory. Not quite there yet, but That's amazing. This is an awesome, awesome kit. I love discovering these unique things. I wonder if they're going to release these fragrances. I hope they do, especially the two gourmands and this last one. So for Sophie LABBE, it says Eau de Cologne reinterpreted. Spicy ginger replaces citrus, and coriander seeds replace bergamot. Pink pepper and elemi come together to reinforce the structure, but it's the long-lasting strength of musks and chypre accord that extend the sillage. I love a good Eau de Cologne, so let's see how this one is from Sophie LABBE. Oh, this is me. This is me. This I can totally see myself wearing in the hot summer. Wow. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. The ginger, oh man, and the coriander, this is freaking awesome. Wow. It is so fresh and refreshing. That's absolutely amazing. This is just awesome. So for Domitille, MICHALON, BERTIER, it says, since our times are about creating decoys, the perfumer created a scented trompe-l'oeil. Musk without musk, tobacco without tobacco, mirroring the art of perfumery, the art of illusion. Very interesting. Oh, wow. This is delicious. This is a musk that I can totally wear. Musk and tobacco, wow. Very sexy, like sexy. Musk fragrances, this is just to die for, actually. Wow, amazing. Anyway, that's Domitille, MICHALON, BERTIER. Don't know much about her, but I did write down that she worked on Midnight in Paris. She was not the main perfumer. And she's also created Versace Man. But other than that, I don't know what she's done, but this is sexy as heck. Love that. So we also have Caroline Dumur, and it says, Anatomy of a Carnation, but under the pressure of modernity, a cocktail of orris, ylang, and black and pink peppers are added. Carnation is thus renewed as well as transgendered. That sounds very interesting. Lately, I've been really digging carnation fragrances, and I brought back Santa Maria Novella's carnation fragrance, which I really love. So let's see how this one is. I can smell carnations. Very peppery. Wow. Wow. A lot of these are very unique creations. This one is really good. Really good. I actually really love this one. I love the way carnations smell. It kind of has like a very spicy clovey kind of smell. Clove. This one has a bit of a sexy touch to it. Maybe a bit feminine leaning, just a bit. But wow, this is really good. This is like a combo of peppers, pink and black peppers with carnation. There's a bit of that powdery orris touch in there as well, but I love this. I absolutely love it. So last but not least, we have Nicolas Beaulieu. It's spicy, leathery, also slightly green. Epicene Gamma is a composition which bristles with the tension of contrasting facets, featuring a new Saffiano accord. The effect is of distressed leather, perfectly balanced and connected with notes of nutmeg, clary sage, and clean modern musks. Sounds exciting. We'll see how it is. Slightly peppery, if that makes sense, like green, not bell peppers, but a spicy green pepper. Ah, wow. Kind of goes into like a very refreshing, almost like eau de cologne direction, but I can see the leathery parts of it. This is so good. Guys, I'm so impressed with this kit. It is absolutely amazing. There's a lot of fragrances here that I really love to wear. Like I would wear. And this is a great kit because it's got 14 10 ml bottles. So if you put that all together, it's 140 ml for $180 without the discount, and there's a 20% discount with this. If you use my discount code JARA to get yourself the speed smelling kit, which again, these were all created in 7 minutes with brand new materials for these perfumers of IFF. And IFF is International Flavors and Fragrances, and the perfumers that I mentioned are all part of that organization. So these are so cool. I just hope you guys get a chance to go pick up a box and sample them, because several of them I would absolutely hope they would create some actual fragrance with. So hopefully they'll release them and then we can find them in a future fragrance. So I'll be on the lookout for these perfumers to find out if they actually will come out as a fragrance. But in the meantime, the discount code will be up until Monday, Cyber Monday, midnight I think is the end of the discount code. So if you want to pick up a kit yourself, it's 20% off. Regular price is $180, shipping is free. So you'll save about $36. I think that's 20% off. So you'll get 140 milliliters of fragrance for about $150. I don't know if, plus tax and all that good stuff. So there you have it. That is the IFF Speed Smelling Kit. Comes in a box like this, guys. What do you think? Do you like the idea of perfumers creating something in 7 minutes? As you can see, these perfumers are so experienced. Like almost all of them were perfect, like good. And for me, I can totally absolutely wear 8 of them like all the time because they smell so good. Anyway, that's my opinions on the Speed Smelling Kit from IFF, sold at LuckyScent, the only retailer in the States. If you're curious about it, I have a link to LuckyScent. Please go there and check it out. Other than that, guys, please let me know your thoughts on this kit. Also, please like this video, please share it. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I'll be back with more videos very soon. And also, happy Thanksgiving to all of you that celebrate Thanksgiving, and I'll see you soon with another video. Have a good one. Goodbye.